This is the range test I tried for my CinePro 4K. It's on the R-XSR. VTX was set to 100 milliwatt power. So I was like, let me just test the range. I haven't tested the range. I had an open field. I really thought the VTX would run out before my range. So I was like, oh, let's play around. So I start going straight down there. The whole aisleway is about 150 meters to the corner turn. I start going low, just see if the video breaks up. Let it come down again a little, see if the video breaks up. It starts to break up, and I lost all control and couldn't go back up. It made it about 145 meters. I really thought at 100 milliwatts, the goddamn VTX would run out before. God damn it. Crossfire, I guess it is.